Have you ever wondered why so many gardeners spend every spring planting the same vegetables all over again? They buy new seeds, prepare fresh soil, water carefully for months, enjoy a short harvest, and then watch everything disappear when the season ends. The following year, the entire cycle starts from scratch. But what if your container garden didn't have to begin at zero every single year? Imagine planting once and enjoying fresh harvests season after season as stronger roots, healthier crowns, and well-established plants return with even more energy. That's the incredible advantage of perennial vegetables. While they still need proper care, rich soil, regular watering, and occasional winter protection, they reward your patience by saving time, reducing work, and producing food year after year. Today, we're counting down 15 amazing perennial vegetables that thrive in containers, proving that even a small patio, balcony, or backyard can become a long-term source of fresh, homegrown food. And stay with us until the very end because the number one plant completely changes the way you'll think about gardening forever. Starting at number 15 is watercress, a leafy green that teaches one very important lesson. Most gardeners lose plants because they overwater them, but watercress has the opposite problem. It naturally grows alongside cool streams and constantly moist areas, meaning dry soil quickly causes it to struggle. Instead of treating it like an ordinary leafy vegetable, work with its natural habits. A wide container filled with rich organic soil and consistently moist conditions allows watercress to flourish. Many experienced gardeners even place the pot in a shallow tray of clean water or choose self-watering containers to keep moisture levels stable. Clean water is essential because stagnant conditions can damage the roots. When harvest time arrives, resist the temptation to pull out the entire plant. Simply trim the tender growing tips with scissors while leaving the lower stems and roots untouched. Before long, fresh shoots begin emerging from the remaining stems, transforming a single container into an ongoing source of crisp, peppery greens that add incredible flavor to salads, soups, sandwiches, and many other dishes. Number 14 belongs to sorrel, a plant that surprises almost everyone with its unforgettable flavor. At first glance, its leaves appear ordinary, but the moment you taste one, a refreshing lemon-like tang instantly fills your mouth. That bright, tangy flavor makes sorrel unlike almost any other leafy vegetable. Even better, it often wakes up long before most summer crops, sending fresh green leaves from its established crown while many other containers are still empty. Because its root system survives through winter, sorrel doesn't waste energy starting life from seed every year. Harvesting is simple. Pick the young outer leaves while allowing the center of the plant to continue growing. Younger leaves stay tender and are perfect for fresh salads, while larger leaves work wonderfully in soups and cooked dishes. Since the flavor is naturally bold, only a few leaves are needed to transform an entire meal. Sorrel grows happily in loose, well-drained soil that holds moderate moisture, and while it enjoys sunshine, some afternoon shade helps protect it during extremely hot summers. If flower stalks appear, removing them encourages the plant to produce even more delicious leaves instead of directing its energy toward seeds. Number 13 is garlic chives, one of the most practical herbs any gardener can grow. Many people make the mistake of harvesting only a few leaves because they worry about weakening the plant. In reality, healthy garlic chives become even stronger after proper cutting. Rather than removing individual leaves, trim an entire section of the clump several inches above the soil. Within days, fresh young shoots begin pushing upward, giving you another harvest without replanting. Their unique flavor blends the mild sweetness of onions with the gentle warmth of garlic, making them perfect for eggs, soups, stir-fries, noodles, potatoes, and countless everyday meals. Plant garlic chives in a sunny location with loose, well-drained soil, watering only when the top layer begins to dry. As the years pass, the clump naturally becomes larger and thicker. Instead of replacing the plant when it becomes crowded, simply divide the roots into several sections and replant them in new containers. One mature plant can easily become several healthy plants, multiplying your harvest with almost no extra effort. During flowering season, beautiful white blossoms also attract helpful pollinators, although gardeners focused on leaf production often remove flower stalks to encourage even faster regrowth. At number 12 is mint, perhaps the perfect example of why containers can actually improve gardening. Mint isn't weak or difficult to grow. Quite the opposite. It's so vigorous that planting it directly into the ground often allows underground runners to spread far beyond where you intended. Before long, mint begins taking over nearby garden beds, making it difficult to control. A container solves that problem beautifully by keeping the roots contained while still allowing the plant to grow vigorously. Harvesting mint is equally important. Instead of picking just a few leaves whenever needed, trim entire stems just above a healthy pair of leaves. This simple technique encourages branching, producing a fuller, bushier plant with even more fresh growth. Regular pruning also prevents stems from becoming woody and sparse over time. Mint prefers consistently moist soil, especially during hot weather when containers dry quickly. So checking moisture regularly produces healthier plants than following a fixed watering schedule. Fresh mint leaves bring incredible flavor to teas, desserts, cold drinks, sauces, salads, and countless recipes. But perhaps the greatest advantage is how quickly the plant recovers after every harvest. Each cut encourages even more new shoots, while older clumps can easily be divided into multiple containers, creating several thriving plants from one original investment. These first 4 perennial vegetables prove an important lesson. A productive garden isn't always about planting more seeds every spring. Sometimes the smartest choice is selecting plants that reward patience by returning stronger every season. As we continue our countdown, you'll discover perennial vegetables that not only survive year after year but also produce larger harvests, require less effort, and completely transform the way you think about container gardening. At number 11 is lovage, an old-fashioned perennial that deserves far more attention than it receives today. If you enjoy the flavor of celery, lovage can become one of the most valuable plants in your container garden. Unlike traditional celery, which must usually be replanted every year, lovage develops a strong underground crown that patiently survives winter before bursting back to life each spring. Don't be fooled by its small appearance when young. Given enough space, this plant grows surprisingly large, so choose a deep, wide container that allows its powerful roots to spread comfortably. The leaves, stems, and even young shoots carry a rich celery-like flavor, meaning a small harvest can season soups, stews, broths, and sauces without needing large quantities. During the growing season, harvest only the younger leaves and stems, while leaving enough healthy foliage behind for the plant to continue storing energy. When winter arrives, the top growth naturally dies back. But that doesn't mean the plant is gone. Hidden beneath the soil, its root system quietly waits for warmer weather before sending up vigorous new shoots once again. Number 10 is the Welsh onion, a plant that completely changes the way many gardeners think about onions. Instead of producing one large bulb that must be pulled from the soil, Welsh onions form dense clusters of tender green stems that continue multiplying year after year. Whenever you need fresh onion flavor, simply cut a few healthy stems and leave the remaining clump untouched. New shoots soon emerge from the base, providing another harvest without replanting. Rich, well-drained soil and a moderately deep container are all this dependable vegetable really needs. As the clump becomes thicker over time, divide it into several sections and create new containers almost effortlessly. Few vegetables provide such consistent harvests with so little maintenance, making Welsh onions an excellent choice for busy gardeners who enjoy having fresh ingredients available throughout the growing season. Number 9 belongs to perennial arugula, also known as wild rocket. Unlike ordinary arugula, which quickly bolts as temperatures rise, this hardy perennial follows a much slower rhythm, returning year after year from the same root system. Its leaves carry a stronger, peppery flavor than regular salad arugula, making them ideal for mixing with milder greens instead of using alone. Harvesting young leaves regularly keeps the plant productive while encouraging tender new growth. If flower stalks begin to dominate, removing some of them redirects energy back into producing flavorful foliage. Well-drained soil and consistent watering help maintain healthy regrowth, especially during warm weather. Instead of treating arugula as a short-lived spring crop, perennial varieties allow gardeners to maintain one reliable plant that continues supplying fresh leaves whenever needed. At number 8 is Caucasian spinach, a remarkable climbing perennial that rewards patience more than almost any other vegetable on this list. During its first season, it often appears slow and unimpressive as it quietly invests its energy below ground, strengthening its root system rather than producing abundant leaves. Many gardeners mistakenly give up at this stage, never realizing the incredible harvest waiting in future seasons. Once established, however, the plant transforms dramatically, sending vigorous vines climbing upward across a sturdy trellis while producing generous amounts of tender edible leaves. This vertical growth makes Caucasian spinach especially valuable for balconies, patios, and small gardens where every square foot matters. Rich organic soil, moderate moisture, and protection from intense afternoon heat help the plant thrive, while harvesting the youngest leaves encourages continuous production throughout the season. Number 7 brings us to ginger, a plant whose greatest treasure remains hidden beneath the surface. Above the soil, graceful green stems create a tropical appearance, but underground, thick rhizomes slowly expand in every direction. Because ginger spreads sideways rather than downward, a wide container is usually more effective than a narrow, deep pot. Begin with a healthy rhizome that has visible growing buds and plant it in loose, fertile, well-drained soil. Keep the soil consistently moist without allowing it to become waterlogged. One of the biggest advantages of container-grown ginger is mobility. Gardeners living in colder climates can simply move the container indoors or into a protected location before frost arrives, allowing the plant to survive winter instead of starting over the following spring. Once the rhizomes become well established, harvest only the mature outer sections while leaving the center undisturbed so growth can continue. Fresh homegrown ginger is wonderfully juicy, fragrant, and less fibrous than store-bought roots, making it perfect for teas, curries, stir-fries, baking, and countless recipes. Finally, number 6 introduces the fascinating American groundnut, a unique perennial that uses every part of the container efficiently. Above ground, attractive vines climb upward using a trellis while producing beautiful reddish-purple flowers. Below the soil, chains of nutritious edible tubers quietly develop along underground runners. Because the plant grows both vertically and underground, it benefits from a large, deep container paired with sturdy climbing support. Fertile soil and steady moisture encourage healthy development, although patience remains essential because significant harvests often take time. Instead of digging up every tuber each season, experienced gardeners harvest selectively while leaving healthy sections underground to regenerate naturally. This simple approach allows the plant to continue producing for years without beginning from seed again. As we've reached the middle of our countdown, one thing has become perfectly clear. The most rewarding gardens aren't always built by planting more every spring. They're built by choosing plants that become stronger with every passing season. In the final part of our countdown, we'll reveal the top 5 perennial vegetables, including the remarkable plant that has inspired generations of gardeners to think beyond a single growing season and create harvests that continue for many years into the future.